26 downwards is the body part of the interface. This contains all the codes that make the body part of the interface to show, so that the users can be able to interact freely with it. So this body now that I wrote here, that is in a defining text, is the parent element. Then this div is not the child element. It now acts as a container for all of these other codes that I wrote down here, so as to make it work well and everything. Then I used some specific things like my class attributes. This also acts as a container that will also help to work out when you're using your W3.CSS or your CSS to work, in order to design and style some of the write-ups which you're doing. And at the year I wrote my chemistry, physics, biology. These are all white because they are the content of the interface. So that's how we go downwards. That's how I designed all of this using the class, attributes, and the rest. These are my values, all of that for this. This glyphicon, for example, this glyphicon W3, this glyphicon now is like to show that I'm imputing an icon into it. I wrote the link for it above in the head elements area. So now by putting it here now means that I'm just showing it, so it will now link to that link upwards, so that it will now showcase the icons on my interface.